Today, we're diving into 7 passive income stream ideas for 2025 that you can't afford to miss. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income, these are game changers, let's be honest. Most passive income tips online are either outdated or flat out useless. But 2025, it's a whole different playing field. AI, micro-automation, and digital ownership have changed everything. Here are 7 creative passive income streams that actually work, with no fluff and no scams. Number 1. Rent your voice to AI companies. You don't need to be a voice actor. Just record a few clean voice samples. Platforms like ElevenLabs and Plate will license your voice to AI tools. Every time your voice is used in an app or training video, you get paid. Your voice becomes a money-making digital asset. 2. Sell microvisuals for AI training. AI needs photos of hands, faces, emotions, patterns, even objects. Upload short photo sets to visual data platforms. Every download, passive income. No camera crew, no editing, just real-life textures and faces turned into digital gold. 3. Affiliate boring but essential tools. Forget gadgets, promote tools people forget to cancel. Think invoice software, email cleanup apps, time trackers. They subscribe once, stay for years. You get monthly recurring commissions. It's quiet, boring, and incredibly profitable. 4. Start a faceless problem-solving YouTube channel. Make videos that answer frustrating questions like how to cancel Spotify Premium or why is my phone overheating. Use AI for voice, visuals, editing. Monetize with YouTube ads plus affiliate links. No face, no stress, no excuses. 5. License your email list. Even with just 300 email subscribers, you can earn. Platforms like Sparkloop and BeehiveBoost pay you for placing links in your emails. You don't even have to sell anything. Just copy-paste sponsored links and watch the cash flow in. 6. Invest in fractional digital real estate. Buy small shares of online tools like calculators, Chrome extensions, or mini apps. Each time someone uses it, ad revenue is split. You own 1% of a money printing machine. Low risk, fully passive. 7. Sell niche. AI use microcourses. Don't make 2-hour masterclasses. Create 15-minute courses like how to use ChatGPT for Etsy listings. Upload to Gumroad, Teachable, or Lemon Squeezy. Once people buy it forever, you earn while you sleep. Passive income in 2025 isn't about doing less. It's about building smart digital systems that never clock out. Start small, start scrappy, but start now.